Hi everyone, I'm Aneta Głowacka. I work in the CSI team and I integrate our customers with Synerise and help them later with their marketing efforts. I am really glad that I have a chance to tell you a little bit about one of integration in which I took part with my team in Synerise. In this presentation, I will focus on AI implementation, recommendations, campaigns, and search. In Synerise, we have various types of AI recommendations, including similar and visually similar products, cross-sell and basket recommendation, and of course, personalized recommendation suited to the customer's behavior. In case of search engine, we can implement visual search, which allows to find products based on provided image, voice search, where customer can tell what he is looking for, and of course search, where customer can write what he wants to find. And on this last type of search I will focus today. But it won't be the easiest case. Why am I saying that? What makes this case unusual and maybe more complicated and really worth spreading? Let me show you. The challenge was that in this case, in this implementation, we have one e-commerce, but which can occur in various variants depending on region chosen by the end customers, currencies available on the chosen region, and website language. And additionally, each market has its own product stack. So in fact, we have several e-commerce under one domain. And to tell you more about the solution we have made here, I have to make one disclaimer. In Synerise, the environment where you collect events, have customer base, and can run campaigns, we call business profile. And in such a case, like situation here, customer can collect data from each market in a separate business profile or collect all information in one business profile. And this second solution was chosen by our customers. So he wanted to have all data in one place and execute all campaigns from one place as well. What was the obstacles and how we have done it? In case of customer base, we collect attributes on what language, currency, region customer has chosen when he was on the website to be able to effectively segment those customers later in purpose of any marketing campaign. But in case of AI recommendations, we have to have separate product feeds for each market. Product feed is a source of products information for AI models. So in fact, for each market, later there were prepared separate campaigns which were built on a product feed dedicated to the region. This is especially important in case that we have those different product stacks for different markets. And how the implementation looked like. So this customer decided to have a backend integration with our AI engine, which means that using appropriate API endpoints, developers responsible for e-commerce get results from Synerise, and they decide where and how it will be shown to the customer. Such solution allows recommendation to be implemented in the most optimal way. Product frames will be shown faster, but if API integration cannot be prepared by customer, there is of course an option to prepare front-end integration. We can inject recommendation to any place on the website using our dynamic content module. But okay, how exactly did it look like in this case? As I've mentioned before, each region has own campaign and search, which have to be prepared in Synerise. In a few minutes, I will show you how it's done in the platform. And customers, developers got API methods from us and the list of AI campaigns and AI search indexes. And based on it, they set up the API configuration in the way that appropriate campaign is shown on appropriate region. They also decided in which places of the website the recommendation will be shown. So they have implemented similar recommendation on the product page and personalized recommendation on the landing page. And next integration will be done in near future, because we have a lot of next use cases we want to implement there, such as personalized recommendation on 404 page, exit pop-up with recommendations suited to the customer, empty basket recommendation. And I know that I am focused on website scenarios for now, but we can go beyond the website and send recommendation in email campaign or use them in Google remarketing. And of course, recommendation can be implemented in the mobile app as well, which we will do with this customer. And here also are two types of integration ready to use via API or using our mobile SDK. And before I will go to the platform, let's quickly discuss what is also important in case of implementation, and especially in this case. So of course we need to have our tracking code to collect all necessary events from the website. But second really important thing, especially for AI recommendation and search, is product feeds. And I've mentioned that we needed separated feeds for each market, but it's not all. As you saw, there are two languages on the website, so we need to get such information in the feed as well. Especially that during integration, customer come up with a requirement that even if you are on the English version of the website, customer can be able to search Arabic words as well. So that's why we have to get two languages in one product feed. And as you can see here on the screen, this is one item from the product feed, one product. And from the basic attributes necessary from the point of view of Google Merchant format, we have product type, title, link, description, but additionally, we have custom attributes like title AR or title EN. So from this, we can get more information about products in both languages. Also, in case of integration of AI search, each search have to be built on the basis of separate product feeds. So we have to prepare such indexes or such AI campaigns where we shown on which product feed we want to build our models. So as you can see here, we can choose one of the imported product feeds, product catalog, and based on it later prepare appropriate campaigns. The last very important thing is preparation of the campaigns of the search, and this part I will show you now in the platform. I will start from the recommendation part, because in search there is more things to set up. So I would like to start from the recommendation. So when we are in platform, we can for sure at the beginning define what type of recommendation you want to have, you want to implement, and choose it from at the beginning. And this is a type of recommendation of personalized recommendation which are implemented on the landing page. So this type is chosen here. Next, we have information that we exclude products which are currently added to the cart by the customer, and we show here what are the number of products which will be shown to the customer on such landing page. And this is very, very basic setup, which allow you to choose appropriate AI models which will recommend products to the customer. But of course, we give a little bit human touch to these recommendations, and you can choose any additional filters which you can add to such AI models, like brand, category, price filter. So you can indicate what category have to be shown to the customer, or you want to exclude them, or some price filters to this recommendation. In case of this campaign, there are not added any additional filters. Customer just rely on what AI models recommend to the customer. So additional filters are not added, but can be if you feel such a need. In this case, there are just they are just based on the AI models. In case of search engine, as I've mentioned, there are more setups to do. And the most important one is to prepare a search ranking. What does it mean? So in this place, we indicate which attributes from the product feed has to be searchable, and we add them the importance. So as you can see here, we have a lot of attributes from the product feed from this customer, but the most important, so the attributes which will be searched at the beginning and will be the most important, is category, item ID, brand, title, and this product type AR, which is the second attribute of category, but in second language. In medium and low importance, we have also the next attributes from the product catalog. What is important, this can be changed anytime customer would like. He can add new attributes, he can change them places, remove whatever he wants. If he will change anything in the product feed, changes can be do here as well. And in case of this implementation, the really cool thing is that customer has his stage environment integrated with Synerise as well. So any change is done in the product feed, in the search configuration, we can test it at the beginning on the stage environment and later put it on production. So it really help in case of checking if customer gets such results as he wants. At the top of this section, we have one more thing that we can add personalization to the search results. So for example, if somebody will browse for the pants and we will know that it was men's pants, then when he will put such query in the search, he will get products from the men category. So this can be added in the search as well. And of course, past transaction and page visits if you want to show more popular products in the search engine. But this is a crucial part of integration, and it has to be done with the customer because he has the best business knowledge. So he can advise us how this setup should look like, but it's not the only tools which he can use to have the best results of the search. We have additionally synonyms and query rules, and just to show you, synonyms is easy tool that you can show that, okay, if somebody will put eyewear with misspelling, like here, we change this to the right word, and the same here. I don't know this Arabic word, but it has to be changed to pullovers. So this is really simple way to influence on the search results, but more you can do using query rules. Query rules is something that allow you to influence on query which customer is putting in the search in more advanced way. I will show you at the beginning what we can do opening new query rule, but later I will show you examples so it will be easier for you to get it. So at the beginning, we have to choose the conditions to what customer has to put on the search so the query will start working. So we have to choose that, okay, customer put exact query or something that contains some specific word or starts and ends with something. Then we have to put the phrase which we are interested in. Later, we have to define what has to happen if the query appears. So we can change it, replace the query, replace the specific word. We can remove some word from the customer query. We can promote some item if you want to show them at the beginning of the search, etc. And of course, we can schedule when this has to work. Let me show you the examples. So, for example, we have the sweatpants. Because customer has shown that his end customers are putting in the query sweatpants, but he do not have in the product stock. So he replaced this word to the pants, and this is how it works. Whenever somebody puts the sweatpants, he gets the pants from the results. And second example is here that whenever somebody put Ramadan, he will get dresses. So this is something that might be done as well. But how do customer find out that these sweatpants do not have the results? We have all analytics in the search as well, so you will see conversion rate, you will see which queries are most popular, and also you will have the information what results have no results because you, for example, do not have them in the stock. So as you can see here, we have the most popular, like bandana top, watches. Here you have also information how many times the such phrase has occurred in the search. So everything you have in this place. And of course you have the no results information here. So based on it, you can see what product you don't have on the in your product stock, what is some popular misspelling in among your customer. So you can choose those no results from here and prepare appropriate synonyms or query rules to avoid situation that customer do not get any results. But as I said, the search configuration is a process which have to be done together with our customer, because he has the biggest knowledge about his business. He knows his expectations. So this is really crucial, and those business knowledge can be also used in different types of campaigns. For example, when we are thinking about product sets, which we will talk about in next webinars. So this business knowledge which our customer have is really crucial during the implementation, because he knows his needs the best, and thanks to it, results can be the best possible. Of course, in case of some KPIs like CTRs, like revenue, it also depends on how big the product stock of customers is, how many transactions he overall has on the website. So it really depends on the business, but I can for sure say that there will be no the same search setups into separate businesses, e-commerces, because it really depends on specific need. And at the end, I want to show you one more thing. Okay, so here we have some examples. On the left, you can see a customer solution before the Synerise search, and on the right we have our search configured on the website. Here we have example of black t-shirts. Now we can see results for the coat. Also on the right, Synerise results. Here we have this example when a customer wanted to search products by the product ID, and in his solution did not follow it. In Synerise search, we have this exact match when a customer put the product SKU. And here another example, or here we have watches. I want to show you these results. So we have the landing page with recommended products personalized to the customer, and to see it, customer have to be log in to the e-commerce. On the left side is my test account, where I test the recommendation and everything on every scenarios on the website, and this is product recommended to me. And here I just set up the new on the right. I just set up new profile on the website, and here is the results. Some Arabian as well. When we have totally new customer who do not have any history yet, and this is what we can see on the right side, we show most popular products at this time. We will not have situation when customer will not get any recommendations because we do not have his history yet. We will show him the most popular product at the time, and right after he will leave us some information about him by page visits. We will be able to suit recommendations better for him.